father. Ooh. Bro woke up and chose violence. Who's the owner of this dog? Muhammad Ali? Iron Dog Tyson? Okay, that was crazy. But before we close it, on yesterday's video, you guys gave me 3 subscribers. So here's 6 push-ups for you. I hope that you guys at least enjoyed the video half as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Thank you. See you tomorrow.